Death by Hiccup. Marshall and Lily have a relationship so strong that Marshall even struggles to fantasize about any other women, and in order to do so, he first needs to think of Lily dying from an incurable case of the hiccups. So in his fantasy world, when Lily finally succumbs to her hiccup syndrome, Marshall is a mess. But in one take, he takes his emotions a little too far. He screams in anguish while feeling Lily's face, and Allison Hannigan struggles to continue playing dead.
Oh, God! God!